Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to layer HTV vinyl onto a t-shirt. So guys, I know it could be a little intimidating when you're thinking about layering HTV vinyl, but it's really simple. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it, and basically how do you know that a design needs layering. So I'm going to jump into Cricut and show you guys how you know that the design is layered and what you need to do once you're there.
Alright guys, so I have my designs uploaded into Cricut and I'm going to show you guys how you know if something is a layered design. So as you can see on the right hand side, you will see the two colors of white and then the black for the panda. So what I'm going to do here is just take both of the colors of white and weld them together since they're going on the same design. And then the panda one is done, and then we will jump into the flower. So we're at the flower design and you can see that every color is separate. So it's nothing that you need to weld because it's 3 different colors. So now we can go to make it. So once we click make it, we can see that all our colors are on different sheets. And basically you'll just cut your mats from here. Also guys, don't forget to mirror your iron-on vinyl.
Alright guys, so now that we've seen what's a layer design, we watched that in Cricut and we also cut it. I'm going to just show you guys. This is the vinyl now that it's cut. So you see that we have our white that was welded together and we have our back layer of black. And I'm just going to put these on top of each other so you guys can see it. So here's our panda, and then I'm going to do the flower. And here's the flower design as well. So when we do this with our vinyl, it doesn't mess it up. You could just pull it right off. It doesn't mess with the vinyl in any type of way. Actually, you might want to test it out like this so that you can see that you have all your pieces and that everything is cut and looks perfect and ready to go for the shirt. So now it's time for us to press our HTV onto our shirt. So guys, typically you will want to follow the instructions that your vinyl includes. So sometimes it would say press for 10 seconds, press for 20 seconds at a certain heat. But when you're layering, it's different. You're putting so much heat onto the garment that you don't want to press each and every piece of vinyl for 10 to 20 seconds. So instead of the 10 seconds that scissor usually recommends, I'm going to just press it for about 3 seconds every press for every color. So let me show you guys. So I have my white garment right here, and I'm just going to press this first just to get some of the moisture out. And I'm just going to fold this in half so that I can have a center. So folding the shirt in half helps you find the center of the shirt, and you'll know that it'll be even. Alright, so we're going to start with the flower, and you want to start with your bottom piece first. So the bottom part of our layer was the black. So I'm going to take the black flower and I'm going to place that on the shirt first. So we have our first layer put down, and this is just the tack down. So remember, 3 seconds, and then we're just going to press it. And then we can just pull it up. So if your vinyl doesn't come up on the first try after 3 seconds, you can give it 2 more seconds or 3 more seconds, but try not to give it the full amount that it says on the instructions. So our next color is red, and you're just going to place this right on top. So you might have to refer back to your computer to see how the design has it set up, but just make sure that you follow and you keep layering, and you'll do this again for 3 seconds. So now we have 2 colors, and I'm going to peel this. And then our last color is the orange or yellow piece that goes in the middle of the flower. And you're going to press that for 3 seconds as well. And also, guys, I forgot to tell you, but this Teflon sheet, you want to make sure that your Teflon sheet is on top of your vinyl every time. I have mine attached to my machine, but all you got to do is just add like some little refrigerator clips to keep it attached to your machine, or if not, they have covers that can go over it. But once you tack everything down, so all of my colors are on the shirt, I'm going to tack it down for like an additional 5 seconds. Just so that all the colors are now on the shirt and just curing and blending into the shirt. Alright guys, so this is how we did this one. So as you can see, it came out perfect. All of my colors are layered and it's super smooth. You wouldn't even feel or think that it's 3 different layers on the shirt. It actually looked like just one piece of vinyl. So we're going to do the same thing with the panda design, and I'm going to be putting that on a different shirt. So we're going to press the shirt for moisture again. And guys, this heat press that I'm using right here is the Heat Press Nation Signature Series. So if you have any questions about that, I'll link it above and below so that you guys can see about this heat press. It's a really nice heat press. And I'm putting a crease in this shirt as well, right in the middle. So basically, guys, like we did before, we want to find our bottom color, and the bottom color for the panda is black. So we're going to put that onto our shirt. And we're just going to give it that 3-second tack down like we did for this shirt. Then we're just going to pull. It is a hot pill when you're working with HTV. And then we're going to grab our white. And we're going to place it onto the black. And now our design is starting to come to life. It's starting to look like a panda and not just like a black blob. So we have our white put on, and we're going to tack that down for 3 seconds too. And here it is. I'm going to give it 6 more seconds to press down. So I'm going to pull this down twice. And here we have it. We have our panda on our shirt. That's nice and layered. Let's fill it. And it's smooth. It feels like one piece of vinyl. It doesn't feel like 2 pieces of vinyl. I'm going to show you guys. So it's perfect. And here it is, guys. If you have any questions about layering or any techniques that I use or anything that I use in this video, feel free to comment down below, guys. Let me know.